I know the quality of the video is not that much upgrade. The video is completely raw and just few edits here and there. But honestly, I believe the quality of the content matters a lot more than the quality of the cinematic video. So if you are agree, this is for you. So if you are not interested to listening to something raw like this, especially like this, so you can skip this video. This is not for you. But if you are care about the content, ideas, why AI matters, what is the anonymous model, how we should be aware of that, who is behind it. So if you are listening this, I am sharing this content and stay till end of this video. Of course, this is the raw. A powerful AI model appeared recently. So in 2026, August 20, a powerful AI model appeared. Nobody announced it, nobody claimed it, and developers immediately start using in an insane way. So, and that model is none other than the Aux Alpha. Appeared an open router in August 2026, listed under the category of provider name Stealth. So this is the anonymous model. Especially, we have to be noticed here. And the interesting part is the creator is still not publicly identified. And one more interesting thing is 1 million context window. The mystery is what made Ox Alpha explodes across the developers community. Because whenever I just want to be use this Ox Alpha, it's something I observe some of the patterns and some of the facts I had to be noticed with you. And I just want to be share the raw information what this is the matter for you because there are the multiple models will come every day. Why this matter? We should have to be take care some of the things. So why would actually know this information is let's separate evidence from the internet speculations because a lot of information will be provided in the fake and genuine information they have to be speculated. So I noticed the things like the name come from the provider name like Stealth. So the capabilities. The interesting part is reasoning, vision, video, tool function calling, and streaming continuously for the agentic works. That's a lot we have to be focused on it. Mm, and one more thing, the price is under the open router. It has $0, so it's free of cost. You have to be used until they have to be announced the real price. So we had to be use this one model. But open router public presentation identifies that model has stealth model developed by unidentified organization and destination matters a lot. It does not mean we know the company or behind it. We don't know. That's not a matter for here also. But the interesting thing is why developers care 1 million context window. So everyone has saying the 1 million context window some anonymous AI model was providing. But the headline is impressive. But here the part I think is more important. Context size is not the same thing as an intelligence. Everyone thought the context intelligence if everyone thought that if the context window is more, it has more intelligence. This is not true always. A million tokens window theoretically gives a model in a room work with extremely large amount of information in one interaction. So it remembers a lot of information throughout the one session, like what you are doing in a one particular context window chat. Don't confuse the specification with the proven performance. A model can have massive context window and still struggle to retrieve the right information, maintenance and consistency, reasoning across the dependencies, or safety modified a large code base. So the real question is not does Oxalpha has 1 million contacts? It does not have a question. Your question is how effectively does Oxalpha use that context when the problem becomes messy? Did you understand? when the problem is messy, how that context window is very helpful for you. The agent can retrieve the more information, it can solve the real problem or not. That's the matter we need to focus here, not a context window of 1 million. And second thing, then the internet become a detective agency here, like Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit threads. Lot of information was speculating a lot. This is the way things get interesting, especially I am too. The model itself reportedly identifies as an ox alpha, so we have to be seeing this one every time. So asking the model directly is not enough. So a lot of users are repeating the same thing. Instead, developers have starting looking at technical fingerprints. That's the main intelligence we need to focus here. Public community investigations and examining things such as tokenizer behavior. If you don't have familiar about the tokenizer, such in Chrome or Perplexity or ChatGPT else, you have to be identify this one word tokenizer and API responses, formatting patterns, and other observable characteristics. One public forensic investigation currently guesses that it was currently under the China's Z.ai GLM family. 95% of the conference was GLM family. So this is the important destination. Strong technical evidence points towards X is not the same statement as X officially built it. Until the provider or a laboratory confirms the identity, we should have to be treat attribution as an hypothesis. And and finally, what people are missing. The mystery is getting all the attention, but I think launch strategy is actually more interesting. Imagine building a model, deliberately removing the logo, brand, the developer names, community, and no famous company name, established reputation, no marking companion telling everyone has the revolutionary modeling. Instead, they had to be put it like, here is the model, use it, judge it. That creates a very different testing environment because people are not evaluating the model because they are already used it, the brand. They are evaluating the outputs. The outputs are very crucial and matters for us. This is the almost like a blind taste test. So, and if the model performs well, the community itself start generating the distribution. That may be one reason stealth releases as a becoming such an interesting environment experiments. So those are the things we should have to be care about that. Yeah, I know we have learned a lot of information from this video. Stay tuned for more information. My videos all should be like this, the raw videos especially. Yeah, thank you. See you in the next update. Stay tuned.